Welcome back to the Mortgage and Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie lending team. I'm going to talk about some FHA flipping rules. If a seller owns a property between 0 and 90 days, the buyer cannot use FHA to purchase that property. So if the seller owns a property between 91 and 180 days, and let's just say they bought it for $100,000 and they're trying to sell it for $200,000, if there's a more than a 100% profit line in there, the property is going to require 2 appraisals, and the second appraisal is going to have to be paid for by the seller. So if your buyer is looking at a couple of houses and one of them looks like it might be a flip, maybe it's got totally rehabbed and it's empty, it's easy to show like that. Maybe you want to take a look what the chain of title looks like when that property's been sold. You don't want to get their heart set on something that they're never going to be able to close on because FHA won't allow it if it's within those dates. So you may have heard that Instagram has reset their algorithm. You're going to have a lot less emphasis on still images, and like repost pages and theme pages are not going to do nearly as well. So original content is going to be king, especially in Instagram Reels. They are going to try to get a lot more exposure for all of these Reels. And remember, it went from 15 seconds to 30 seconds. They're competing heavily with TikTok now that TikTok's agreed to, sell the American version of the brand here. And so hopefully maybe trust will increase with them. Who knows? But Instagram is come out really hard trying to compete with TikTok. So if you can create content for that, that could be a really good position for you to get a lot more traction on your page. So I'm going to be doing another class tomorrow about credit reports on Zoom at 12 o'clock. Lily's going to be doing one on Thursday in Spanish. I don't have a timing for that just yet. So we're going to talk about credit reports, derogatory credit, what we're looking for, what we see when we pull a credit report. I'm going to show you what trade lines look like. I'm going to go over all that. Not a class you're going to want to miss. Check us out at lilydemarie.com. Check us out on Instagram, and